To kick things off, let's talk about a game changer for virtual dates: lighting. Many people underestimate its impact, but the right setup can transform how you appear on camera. Can you explain why facing a window or using a ring light is recommended?
Absolutely. Natural sunlight or a ring light casts a soft, even glow that minimizes harsh shadows and highlights your features. Think of it like taking a selfie at golden hour versus under fluorescent lights. Soft light smooths skin texture, making you look more vibrant and confident.
That's a great analogy. So, would you say lighting is more important than makeup itself for a virtual date?
In many ways, yes. The best makeup can only do so much if your lighting is poor. Good lighting can even make minimal makeup look flawless, while bad lighting can exaggerate imperfections, no matter how skilled your technique.
That's a helpful perspective. As we move into makeup specifics, let's talk about creating a camera-ready complexion. For complexions, heavy foundation often looks unnatural on video calls. What's the alternative for achieving a fresh, radiant look on camera?
Lightweight, luminous products are your best bet. For example, BNTC's Glow Shimmer Spray gives an even, radiant finish without masking your skin. It reflects light in a subtle way, similar to how dewy skin catches the sun, which helps you look healthier and more awake.
That makes sense. Are there any statistics or studies on how people perceive natural versus full coverage makeup in virtual settings?
Actually, a 2022 survey by Video Date Insights found 68% of respondents preferred dates who appeared natural and approachable on camera, rather than overly made up. The camera tends to amplify makeup, so less can truly be more in these situations.
I love that data-driven approach. Now, focusing in on features, let's explore how to make your eyes stand out without overdoing it. Eyes are often called the windows to the soul, and on virtual dates, they're front and center. What techniques help eyes pop under digital lighting without looking too dramatic?
A subtle shimmer works wonders. BNTC's One Step Glow Glitter Stick in Gold, for instance, catches the light on both eyelids and cheekbones with a single swipe. It's a bit like adding a spotlight effect, drawing attention to your eyes and bone structure in a way that feels effortless.
How do you avoid overdoing shimmer so it doesn't look distracting or unnatural on camera?
The key is moderation. Focus shimmer on the center of your lids and tops of your cheeks. This placement mimics the way natural light would hit your face. If you imagine stage makeup, it's bold for distance, but for webcams, subtlety is more flattering and relatable.
Great point about adapting techniques for the screen. Speaking of definition, let's move to lips, a feature people often overlook in virtual settings. Lip definition can really elevate your look, even on a small screen. What's your strategy for achieving a well-defined but natural lip on camera?
I recommend tracing the lips with a soft, neutral liner like BNTC's Clean Vegan Lip Liner in Russet. Follow with a vitamin C lip conditioner for hydration and a healthy sheen. This combo keeps lips from blending into your complexion, giving a polished yet approachable vibe.
Interesting. Beyond makeup, are there technical tweaks that can further enhance how your lips and jawline appear to your date?
Definitely. Prop your camera at eye level and tilt it slightly downward. This angle sharpens your jawline and prevents unflattering shadows. In fact, a study by Webcam Dynamics found that 82% of users felt more confident when using this angle, as it subtly sculpts the face.
That's a fantastic tip to round things out. Combining these makeup strategies with thoughtful camera setup really does boost on-screen confidence for virtual dating success.